We are on the set of Dirty Dirty by artist Toya Montoya. We're gonna give you some behind the scenes footage for how we shoot videos here at RDK Productions. We're gonna do nice and simple, kind of rooftop, looking out over the city, the beautiful city of Atlanta. And let's see what we can come up with, man. Got some very talented choreographers and dancers. We're gonna see what we can lock in and knock out.
She like how I shine, dig that, he is not my kind, dig that.
Get ready to give it a shot? All right, let's do it. Good. High energy, high energy. Good. Big movements.
South rich. I'm with that dirty South flick. We be so dirty savage.
Yeah, that's all B-roll. Good.
You think we done with this part with the dancing?
If y'all comfortable with it.
Y'all want to go one more safety?
One more safety? All right.
Safety.
All right, sure. Rolling on camera and music. Let's get you back in focus. Trying to keep an eye out for like the precision of the movements, but I'm also focused on the camera, so you know. It looked good to me, you know. That's good. Don't be afraid to perform big. Yep, all the attitude. Here we go.
South rich. I'm with that dirty South flick. We be so dirty savage. I mean that dirty. Atlanta dirty. These streets so dirty.
Good. Come toward me, Santor. Yep. Good. Good. Perfect. That's great.
Thanks, man. Somebody do it like a little.
Her fanning herself, I kind of like that. Honestly, it's like a B-roll.
Yeah. You never know. Period. So, I probably should have propped that up, huh? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's not bad.
No.
You performing in the sun, though, you probably gonna be squinting.
It's fine. Just like for a quick second.
Okay. All right, let's give it a shot. Looking good, looking good. Perfect. Rolling on camera and music. Good.
Talking money, hold up, well it's time to pay. They think I'm sweet as honey, pretty, but I ain't no. It's a movie. I'm the hottest guy I'm choosing. Low mileage when I'm cruising. Got the sauce, I got you drooling.
It honestly doesn't matter. I was thinking individually, but if y'all have some, because all right, so the choreography is together, obviously. But if y'all doing two different things, I don't know how good that'll look. If y'all just freestyle.
Let's do separately.
You see what I'm saying?
I guess so. Yeah.
So it's not like clashing. I don't know what y'all would do, you know. Yeah, it's about there. I want to keep the light like on you.
I'll try to stay in place.
Okay. Should take time. Cool.
Thank you.
That real Atlanta, baby. I'm really in Atlanta, baby. Dig that.
That's not bad, actually. There. It's gonna be real close up. Perfect, and roll. Beautiful. Love it. Rock solid, lady. All right. Good, 6, 7, and okay, cool.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all taking real life risks up there. That's intense. All right.